Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. In this class we are going to learn about an important 4 marks question in class 12 physics in intermediate second year physics in the chapter moving charges and magnetism, the most important question for 4 marks. So state and explain by Yosavarla. So what about the statement students? You can see the magnitude of magnetic field induction denoted by dB, which is caused by small element of current carrying conductor, is directly proportional to strength of the current I, length of the current carrying element dl, sine angle between the position vector r bar and the current carrying element dl, and is inversely proportional to square of the distance between the points P and the current carrying element dl. So you can see the current carrying conductor in the figure students. So let AB is the current carrying conductor through which current passing is I. So in the current carrying conductor AB we are selecting a small part dl. So from this part at the point P, what is the magnetic field induction produced? dB is question mark, you can see. The distance from P to dl is taken as r, and it is taken in the form of position vector r bar. So the r bar with dl is a making angle theta, you can see. So at the point P, dB, that is magnetic field induction, depends on current I, dl, and the angle theta, and also distance between P and dl, that is r. So explanation students, you can see, let A conductor AB carrying current I. Let dl is the small element of current carrying conductor. So dl is a small part in the current carrying element. So dB is the magnetic field induction due to dl at a point P. So now the distance from dl, so which is at a distance r from dl. So let theta be the angle between dl and r bar. So from the statement we said dB is directly proportional to strength of the current. That is why dB directly proportional to I. dB also directly proportional to length of the current carrying element dl. So sine angle between dl and the distance between P and dl students, that is dl and r bar, and dB is inversely proportional to square of the distance. So combining these four combining, so dB and directly proportional symbol is common, that is why dB directly proportional to I dl sin theta by r square. Proportionality symbol is eliminated students, and a constant is written mu naught by a constant is written, so that is mu naught by a constant is written, which is mu naught by 4 pi students, that is ideal sin theta mu naught by 4 pi into ideal sin theta by r square. So in vector form it can be written as, so d bar b equal to mu naught I by 4 pi dl bar cross r bar by r cubed. So in vector form how can we write? So it is written in the form of rough work students, you can see. So divided with r and multiplied with r. So then dl and dl bar r bar are taken as a vectors. So they are two vectors. So dlr sin theta equal to cross product of vector students. So dl bar cross r bar. So most important students for 4 marks. So you can see again from the top.